Chrome Store Android. Official Play Store. Special Android. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Dezco Morgan. Today, we are diving into something special for all Android users, the Chrome Store and its connection with the official Play Store. If you're an Android user, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech insights. Let's get started. Segment 1. Introduction to Chrome Store on Android. B-roll footage of a smartphone accessing the Chrome browser. Many people think the Play Store is the only place to get apps. But did you know that Chrome also provides access to powerful extensions and web apps? The Chrome Web Store allows users to enhance their browsing experience directly on Android devices. Let's explore how it works and what it offers. Segment 2. Differences between Play Store and Chrome Web Store. Split-screen comparison of Play Store and Chrome Web Store. Now, let's talk about the key differences. The Play Store is the official marketplace for downloading Android apps, games, and other content. On the other hand, the Chrome Web Store is a platform for downloading browser extensions, themes, and web applications. While Play Store apps work across different Android devices, Chrome extensions are mainly for web browsing on Chrome. But did you know that some Chrome extensions can enhance your Android experience? Let's check them out.
Segment 3. How to use Chrome Web Store on Android. Now, let's see how you can access the Chrome Web Store on your Android device. Follow these steps. 1. Open the Chrome browser on your Android device. 2. Type Chrome Web Store in the search bar and hit Enter. 3. Browse through the extensions and select one you'd like to add. 4. If an extension supports Android, you can install it and use it right away. Not all extensions work on mobile, but there are some hidden gems that can enhance your browsing experience. Segment 4. Best Chrome extensions for Android users. Here are some must-try Chrome extensions that can improve your Android browsing. Dark Reader enables dark mode for all websites. Grammarly helps with grammar and spelling while typing. Adblock blocks annoying ads for a smoother experience. Save to Pocket allows you to save articles for later reading. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite. That's a wrap for today's video. Now you know how to use the Chrome Web Store on Android and get the best out of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content. See you in the next video.
Google Play Store is the main hub for Android users to download apps, games, and various digital content. However, besides the official Play Store, there is also the Chrome Store Android, which serves as a place to download extensions and web-based applications for Android and Chrome OS devices. In this article, we will explore the differences, features, and benefits of both. 1. What is Chrome Store Android? Chrome Store Android refers to the Chrome Web Store, which was initially created to support the Google Chrome browser across various platforms. Although it is primarily known as a place to download extensions and web-based applications for PCs, some extensions can work with Android devices. 2. Differences between Chrome Store Android and Google Play Store. Google Play Store contains apps and games specifically optimized for Android devices. Meanwhile, the Chrome Store provides web-based extensions and applications used in the Chrome browser. Although both play crucial roles in Google's ecosystem, their functions are quite different. 3. Functions and uses of Chrome Store on Android. Although the Chrome Web Store is not part of the Google Play Store, Android users can access it to install certain extensions compatible with the Chrome browser on Android. However, not all extensions are supported on Android devices. 4. How to access Chrome Store on Android. Currently, the Chrome Web Store can only be accessed via a browser on Android devices. Users must visit the official Chrome Web Store website and attempt to install compatible extensions. 5. Advantages of using Chrome Store Android. The Chrome Store offers various productivity tools, security features, and tab management tools that can enhance the browsing experience for users on supported Android devices. 6. Limitations of Chrome Store on Android. Most extensions available in the Chrome Web Store are designed for PCs and are not compatible with the Chrome version on Android. Therefore, users cannot fully access extension features as they would on a computer. 7. The role of Google Play Store in the Android ecosystem. Google Play Store is the official platform supported by Google for distributing Android applications. All apps available on the Play Store undergo a security verification process to ensure their quality and safety. 8. How to use Google Play Store. To use the Play Store, users only need a Google account and can then download and install apps directly on their devices. 9. Security in Google Play Store versus Chrome Store. Google Play Store has the Google Play Protect security system, which protects users from malware and harmful apps. Meanwhile, Chrome Web Store also has a security system, but focuses more on web-based extensions and applications. 10. Popular apps on Google Play Store. Some of the most downloaded apps on the Play Store include WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and many more that support users' daily needs. 11. Popular extensions on Chrome Store. Some popular extensions in the Chrome Web Store include AdBlock, Grammarly, LastPass, and Google Translate, which enhance productivity while using Chrome. 12. Can Play Store apps be installed on Chrome? Google Play Store is not directly available for Chrome OS devices, but some Chromebooks support Android apps through the built-in Play Store. 13. Alternatives to Play Store and Chrome Store. Besides Google Play Store, Android users can get apps from Amazon App Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, or other third-party app stores. However, downloading from unofficial sources can be risky. 14. The development of Chrome Web Store and Google Play Store. Google continuously updates both platforms to enhance user experience. The Chrome Web Store is improving in terms of security, while the Play Store is adding more features to enhance Android user convenience. 15. How to download Chrome extensions on Android. Although Chrome on Android does not fully support extensions, users can try using alternative browsers like Kiwi Browser or Yandex Browser to install Chrome extensions on Android. 16. The role of Chrome Web Store for Chromebooks. For Chromebook users, the Chrome Web Store is the primary source for obtaining extensions that improve device performance, as Chromebooks are designed to work with web-based applications. 17. Benefits of using apps from Play Store. Apps in the Play Store are better optimized for Android, have more complete features, and have undergone rigorous selection processes to ensure user safety. 18. The future of Chrome Store and Play Store. Google is likely to continue developing both, improving Chrome Web Store compatibility on Android and expanding Play Store security features and services. 19. Conclusion. Google Play Store and Chrome Web Store serve different functions, but both play vital roles in Google's ecosystem. The Play Store is the primary source for Android apps, while the Chrome Store provides useful extensions for the Chrome browser. 20. Recommendations for users. For the best experience, Android users are advised to use the Play Store to download apps and only use Chrome extensions if their device supports them.
Downloading and installing Google Chrome on Android. Open the Google Play Store. Locate and tap the Play Store icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. To search for Google Chrome, in the search bar at the top, type Google Chrome and press Enter. 3. Select Google Chrome. From the search results, tap on the Google Chrome app developed by Google LLC or install the app. Tap the Install button. The app will download and install automatically. Open Chrome. Once installed, tap Open to launch the browser. Setting up and using Google Chrome. Sign in to sync data. Upon opening Chrome, you may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Signing in syncs your bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings across devices. Reddit. To sign in later, tap the three-dot menu. Settings. Sign in to Chrome. To customize home page, open Chrome and tap the three-dot menu. In the top right corner, select Settings, Home page. Toggle the switch to turn it on or off. Choose Enter Custom Web Address to set a specific home page or select Chrome's home page for the default. 3. Manage bookmarks. Add a bookmark. While on a web page, tap the star icon in the address bar. Access bookmarks. Tap the three-dot menu. Bookmarks to view and manage saved sites. Browse in incognito mode. Tap the three-dot menu and select New Incognito tab. In this mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. Manage downloads. To view downloaded files, tap the three-dot menu. Downloads. From here, you can open, share, or delete downloaded items. Adjust privacy and security settings. Go to the three-dot menu. Settings. Privacy and security. Here, you can clear browsing data, manage permissions, and adjust other privacy settings. 7. Enable Data Saver, Light Mode. Navigate to Settings. Light Mode. Toggle the switch to reduce data usage and speed up browsing on slow networks. Installing extensions on Chrome for Android. As of now, the standard version of Chrome for Android does not support extensions. However, Google is developing a special version of Chrome for Android that supports browser extensions. This version is intended for devices like Chromebooks and PCs running Android, rather than smartphones or tablets. For more information, you can refer to this article. Android Authority, using Google Play Store on Chromebook. If you're using a Chromebook, you can download and use Android apps from the Google Play Store. To enable this feature, Dukungan Google click on the time at the bottom right and select Settings. Dukungan Google. In the Google Play Store section, click Turn on. Dukungan Google follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Play Store on your Chromebook. For detailed steps and troubleshooting, visit. By following these steps, you can effectively download, install, and utilize Google Chrome on your Android device, enhancing your browsing experience.